Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Sherelle. So thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited for this video. I love filming these types of videos, these little fashion videos where I can put outfits together. I love doing that when I worked at Nordstrom and Anthropologie and Armani Exchange, everywhere. So today I am doing something very new. I've never done this before, and it's actually a thrift haul. And I went to a couple of thrift stores, and the first one I went to is actually Goodwill. One of the things was this adorable sweater. Oh my gosh, it is almost like that teddy bear material, how everybody's wearing those like teddy bear jackets. It's similar to that. It's like super soft, and oh, it feels just like a blanket, and I just want to lay in it. And it's this almost rust color. Also has these cute little button details. These buttons are so cute. I really can't even handle it. I love how it like contrasts with the color of the cardigan. And actually, this is from Forever 21. I'm not sure what it retailed for, but I actually purchased it for $6.50. Cha-ching. Hey. And it was actually brand new. It still had the tags on it from Forever 21, but they didn't have like the price, you know, how much it cost before. So, but yeah, I'm very pleased with this. So I paired it with, this top is from Nordstrom. It's just like a crop top. And I have these high-waisted, super cute bottoms from Target. I love them. They're almost like, it reminds me of Miami for some reason. I just think of Miami when I see these. And then I also paired it with some booties. So also from Goodwill, I picked up this top. It's almost like the same color as the sweater that I picked up. And it's actually a petite size. I'm not considered petite because, oh, maybe I am. I'm 5'3". Is that petite? But yeah, it actually fits. So the thing that I love about this top, actually, one, it's really soft. Okay, duh. We got to get that out of the way. Two, I really like the length of the sleeves. And so I also paired this with some gauchos. I guess they're called gauchos, but they are these, it's like a sweater material bottom. And I got those from Anthropologie. They were on sale. I got a sale on the sale price. So we out here saving money, girls and guys. Guys can go to Anthro too. So then I also paired it with this necklace, which is a two-tone necklace. I bought this from Nordstrom like many years ago, and it has literally never left my collection because, I mean, it's really a statement piece. You can just put it on, and I always get compliments when I wear it. I love it. And I also paired it with some leather and patent leather slingbacks, which are super cute, and I feel like this would be perfect for work. Those of you who work in a business setting. So the next item that I picked up from Goodwill was actually this Star Wars t-shirt, which is so cute. I got it in the men's section. I wanted to make sure that I was covering all my bases because I've seen a lot of thrifting videos, and a lot of the girls say that they go into the men's section and they can find like cool blazers and different types of jackets and stuff. And so at this one I couldn't find anything like that, but they had a huge t-shirt selection, and so that's why I was able to get this Star Wars one. And I paired it with some bottoms that I already have from H&M. They're literally my favorite jeans. Like, I can wear them every single day. And I think the thing that I like about these jeans is because they are from the Conscious line, basically all recycled fabrics put into one. So it's actually pretty stretchy and forgiving. So you can even size down. I sized down to a 6, and I think I'm about an 8. So I was able to get a size 6 in these. And then I also paired it with this cute little metallic belt. I actually got this at H&M as well. And then lastly, for the shoes, I'm wearing like some fake Birkenstocks. They are actually Steve Madden, and I got them so long ago. I need to get another pair. It's tragic. So let's just say that. Okay, so as I said in the beginning, I went to 2 different stores. So the first store was Goodwill, and the second one, it was super clean. Like, it was literally, everything was organized. They had like, you know, everything separated by size. Even they had like the sale rack in the front. They had like t-shirts, blouses, tank tops. Like, everything was like set up accordingly. I freaking love that store. So I actually was able to pick up these denim, these Levis, and the number is 529. They are a curvy boot cut. Oh, that's what they fit. Now I get it. I was like, it's so weird. They fit on the waist like a little snub, but like everywhere else it fits really good. So I think the curvy is like totally for my body type. I didn't used to be curvy though. That is not what I used to be. So yeah, I love these jeans. I paired them with this sort of like knitted top, and I actually got it from Macy's. Once it's not so cold outside, I'm gonna wear it again. I haven't worn it in a while. Or actually, is this new? Actually, once it gets cold outside, I have to actually wear this because it still has the tag on it. Oh my god, this is so bad. But yeah, it's really cute. It has a little detail on the side and a little tassels, and it's kind of ruffly. It's very girly. These pants come to me as kind of like more on the masculine side and a little bit like more like cowboy-ish. And so I wanted to put something really dainty with it to kind of like make it a little more feminine. And then I paired it with some Steve Madden shoes, which have been my favorite for a very long time. I am so excited about my buys, and I can't wait to wear them. If you are not already subscribed, what are you doing? Come hang out with us. We are having fun over here on this channel, so please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. That concludes my thrift haul for today. If you have not